I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating simple local problems. Check caps lock, keyboard layout, and language because small typos are the most common cause. Once done, make sure your connection is stable and disable VPN or proxy since Steam can block odd IPs. Then collect identifying info, the exact account name, the email address or phone on file, and any Steam purchase ID or CD keys you still have. These items are required for the recovery process and speed up verification. You now follow Steam support's recovery flow. Start at Steam Community. com/support and pick I can't sign in then recover my account. Choose the email or phone option if you still control them, otherwise pick I no longer have access and follow prompts. Provide the information you gathered. Transaction ID and billing data matter because they prove ownership. Explain when and where you last accessed the account. Steam uses that context to validate you, so be specific and concise. Once Steam verifies you, use the sent code to reset the password and pick a strong, unique phrase. Do not reuse passwords. Immediately enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator and confirm a current email and phone so future recovery is quick. If verification fails, escalate. Attach scans or screenshots of receipts, the bank transaction used for purchases, and any CD key evidence in a support ticket. If you don't receive messages, check spam folders and ask your bank for the exact Steam transaction ID. That often breaks deadlocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.